I mean, look at that thing go. Oh, that thing is hot. Hot, hot, hot. Spicy. Ooh, muy caliente. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, that wasn't even full throttle, ladies and gentlemen. Not even full throttle. And then that's just nothing on the stick there. Look at that. Oh, you beautiful thing. Look at you. Look at you. You're just, oh my goodness. I do need to put the brake on the ESC. Ah! Hey everybody, and welcome to another video. In this video, I want to share with you my latest airplane that I built, which is a version of the Fenix 120 motor glider. So I'm going to give you the basic specs and talk a little bit about the performance, and then let you just see for yourself, and then we'll come back and talk about the construction details and some lessons that I learned. Here we go. The wing is just about 4 feet across, about 47 inches. It does have polyhedral, so 2 sections of dihedral, if you will. The cord, which is from the front part, the leading edge, to the trailing edge, the back of the wing, is right about 8 3/4 inches. The length from the firewall to the back of the elevator is right about 35 inches. The vertical stabilizer is at the top 9 inches. The width of the horizontal stabilizer is right about at 17 inches. And the fuselage is 2 inches wide and maybe about, I don't know, 3 or so inches deep. For the electronics, I'm using an Emax CF2822. I'm not sure what the KV is. Motor, brushless motor with a 1060 GWS propeller. Very powerful. Way powerful enough. The ESC is a Emax BL Heli 20 amp. And then I'm using a FlySky IA6B receiver to control it. Attached to that receiver are 2 long runner 9-gram Metal Gear servos, and they seem to be sufficiently up to the task. Seem to be pretty darn good quality. All right, performance wise. All right, man, here we go. Fenix 120 homemade version. Man, I gotta tell you, I'm kind of nervous. We got quite a bit of wind, but let's just do this. So, like a lot of wind. Like, look at that flag. That flag is flagging. Here we go. Oh shoot. Oh wow, okay. Whoa. That's not good. Alright, it's tail heavy, just as I feared. All things considered, it went pretty well. Definitely enough elevator authority, so that was good. So let's put the battery farther forward and try it again. What I might do is, if that doesn't help much, I'm gonna get a 2200 on here, because we might just need that mass, because this thing only weighs like 1 1/4 pounds according to an old inaccurate scale. 3-cell, 1300 milliamp hour. I mean, well, I'm getting a lot of wind, man. Like, I'm really kind of scared here, but oh shoot, man. Oh wow. So I'm having to get I don't like this. It does not want to pitch down, especially with going into the wind with any kind of throttle. Wow, I shouldn't do that. I should do like actual turn. But doesn't that look good? I think that looks pretty sweet. Right now I have super like high throws and stuff, so it's really touchy. But here we go. Come on, baby. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, I would call this a pretty massive success. I mean, that it flew as well as it did. I'm gonna put a 2200 on here, 2200 milliamp hour 3-cell, and we're gonna try that out. I think it's gonna need that nose weight to penetrate in this wind, but otherwise, I mean, really, she flies pretty much like a dream. She floats pretty well, quite docile, even though, check out these throws. Like, I got some intense throws, which makes her really maneuverable. But especially, you know, what you need in this wind. But I'm really pleased with that. I managed to avoid crashing it on the first flight. It still wants to pitch up. I think that could just be a trim issue, but actually
You know, actually, with it really only pitches up with power. I mean, look at that thing go. Oh, that thing is hot. Hot, hot, hot. Spicy. Ooh, muy caliente. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, that wasn't even full throttle, ladies and gentlemen. Not even full throttle. And then that's just nothing on the stick there. Look at that. Oh, you beautiful thing. Look at you. Look at you. You're just, oh my goodness. I do need to put the brake on the ESC. Ah! That happened. Oh man. Woo! I'll tell you what, like if there is some sort of hard metal object for your airplane to run into, it will run into it. I'm really glad I put these popsicle sticks on the front and back though. That I think helped a lot. It's just hanging out, man. It's just hanging out. Full power. Look at that loop it did. Yes! Woo! That was a pretty sweet landing, and we saved the prop. Now guess what we're gonna do? That's right, we are going to put the Mobius camera on. That's full stick deflection right there. And it recovers just fine. It's just like, what was that? I don't even care. In fact, let's test out the stall. Let's try out the stall. So let's bring it up here. Let me go back this way a bit. Downwind. I'll turn it back around and go upwind. I'm gonna get up fairly high. Alright, and then so I'm just gonna do a power off stall. So I'm just going to take the power out, right? Now basically going in circles. It's pretty much all it does. Can I just float it to the ground? Yes, I can. Okay, well, that's pretty cool. The thing you gotta watch out for is getting into like an unusual attitude close to the ground with the wind the way it is, because you can't, if you're banking, you can't really correct out of that very well, like that. Ooh, mad skills, mad skills. If I was gonna end the video here, I would say, I am so pleased with this. Aren't I awesome? Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. See you next time.